I'm whipping the phone and I can't whip no beetle. I wrote that Saint Laurent over a beater. I like this song like I'm Eva Knievel. But it don't mean nothing without all my people. When I step up on stage, hands up to the sky.
So if it looks like I just threw a sheet over my bed, that's because I did. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. I did. And what? Okay, I'm coming off a little aggressive. I think I need to take it down a few notches. Okay, that's better. Hey guys, so I'm back with the Wattpad video. I know it's been a minute. I feel like I say this every video. It's always been a minute. I don't know, but it takes time to read these books, you know, and it takes time to collect these books and let y'all know. But that's not what happened this time. I just got lazy, and yeah, I've been reading, but I've also had a lot going on. I'm in summer classes and you guys don't care. So let's just get into this. So wait, what genre is this book again? What am I doing today? I'm doing Mafia romance, I think. Yeah, I'm doing Mafia romance. So the first book that okay, I'm so sorry if it's loud. My cousin is back there playing Fortnite, and yeah. The first book that I'm gonna do is Membra, and I'm gonna read the summary and let you guys know about my thoughts. Scarlett moves into a new apartment with the mentality that she will start fresh and rule her own life. When she overhears a murder next door, her life takes a turn for the worse, and she finds herself on the Italian Mafia's radar. So basically, Scarlett has always been pampered her whole life by her parents. She's always been, her mom specifically is a little controlling. Like, she likes to have control of her daughter's life. So she decides, hey, like, I'm gonna move out, find my own apartment. And she moves into this apartment. It's not the best apartment, it's pretty run down, but she's happy about it because, you know, it's her own place. You know, shoot, I'd be happy to move to my own place too, but anyway, so it's her own place, she's happy about it. And so her first night there, she's unpacking and stuff, and she overhears, what is that in the book? She overhears something crazy next door. So she overhears a murder. This idiot, I mean, if I was her, I wouldn't have opened the door. I would act like I wasn't there, but you'll see what happens. And he goes over there, knocks on her door, and be like, she opens it. I mean, I would have been, I've been like, her, what? What? No, I had, huh? I didn't hear nothing. I'll be playing stupid. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm not about to say. But okay, if it was in real life, I probably would have called the police. But yeah. So she overhears that, and he comes over, and that's how their relationship starts. And yeah, this was a really good book. Like, it kept me intrigued. It had the right amount of action in it, not too much. Not too much. And of course, you got the struggles between the relationships. That what keeps me intrigued too, because like, no relationship's perfect. Gotta look at the other things, but I would 10 out of 10 recommend this book. It actually won a Wattpad too, 2015. So you know it's a good book. The next book is Menacingly. Your problem is that your heart is too big. Okay, let me skip because I'm not reading this whole dialogue. If y'all want to read that, y'all can read it. Y'all know what I was talking about, how people just have like sentences from the book when I talked about things I don't like about Wattpad. So if y'all want to read it, y'all can read it. I'm gonna read the description. Angela and Adriana are like fire and ice. They're complete opposites. But what happens when Angela gets thrown into Adriana's dangerous lifestyle? Can Adriana protect her from the evils that he faces every day? Or does it become too much for the innocent Angela to cope with? Okay, I was thinking about a different book. This book actually didn't start off slow. Like, it started off with Angela, and she was clearly running away from something. And I think she was in, I read this book so long ago. I think she was in Canada, and she was running away from something, and you'll find out what she was running from. And so she was kind of, I know in here in the description says that she wasn't used to the dangerous lifestyle, but I mean, when you think about it, like, her life has never really been stable because she's always had to run from something, and she doesn't even have contact with her parents, which you'll find out in the book. And yeah, so like it said in the book, they're complete opposites. Adriana's very straightforward, and he'll like let you know, and Angela's very to herself. She kind of doesn't want to inconvenience people, and yeah, but you grow to love both of them as you read the book. For the longest time, like, Adriana got on my nerves, but I grew to like him. Like, you grew to like the people in this book. It has really good character development, so I'm happy about that, because you know I be looking for character development. But the character development is A1, so definitely check out this book. It's menacingly. The other book that I was reading, I do not know where that was, but I actually like that book, so you need to come back. This is disrespectful. This truly is. I'm honestly disgusted. I don't know why that book is not in my library anymore, but I swear I was reading it. It was a really good book. I don't know what the heck happened, but if I find it, I'll probably put it in my next Wattpad video or like put it on the screen or somewhere. But I cannot find that book. Like, what the heck? So I guess I'll recommend another book that I read a while ago, and I guess. So this is License to Kill. This is actually a third book in a series, but they're standalone, so you don't really have to read them together. And I recommended the other two, which she does not have on here anymore. Oh yeah, she still has Desire, but she doesn't have the second book that I read. If there's ever a book that I say recommend on this channel and then you go looking for it, doesn't pop up, that ain't got nothing to do with me. They probably took it down. That's all I'm gonna say. They probably took it down. I can't help what these people do. I'm sorry. Sent from Italy to return to America, Elena is teamed up with her closest ties to the Mafia, which just so happens to be the Manfredini family. This family, okay, if you read book 1 and 2, you just know. After arriving, she creates her goal to avenge her parents and get to the bottom of why they were killed when she was only a young girl. Elena is licensed to kill, not to love. But what happens when she's expected to be Mafia partners with the cold-hearted, secretive Greek man that is haunted by his past? Will the charming yet bitter Matthias be able to intrigue this assassin? Or will their dark yet alike past catch up with them, creating an outcome similar to the same ends of a magnet? Okay, the reason why I like this is because in typical Mafia books and stuff, like the girl is gonna have ties in the Mafia and this is her first time becoming into the Mafia, or one thing that's similar is she's already been in the Mafia, but since she's a girl, they don't really have her doing like the dirty work of the Mafia. And so I like this one because it kind of does the opposite of that, because Elena, she's been tied to the Mafia since she was little. She was born into it, but she was also born to like kill. Like it says, the book's called License to Kill. She's trained for this her whole life to avenge her parents, and now she gets to. And she also meets Matthias, which he's a part of the Manfredini family, and I'm gonna be honest, that whole family is a mess. If you read Desire, at least if you read Desire, then you know this whole family is a mess. They're just a mess. I'm telling it like it is. They're a mess. So so if you read that, then you know. But so definitely read. This is License to Kill. And yeah, those are the 3 books I have for today. But I also want to say something, because can y'all recommend me a book? I recommend y'all books. Can y'all recommend me a book? Okay, this is the type of book I'm looking for. So I started watching the show Rain, and I can't stop watching it. Like, this show is so good. If you guys haven't seen Rain, it's on Netflix. Watch it. So I want a book similar to that, dealing with royals. I want to feel royal for once in my life. You know, just royalty, dealing with that kings and queens. It could be modern. It can be back in the day. I don't care. Just give me some book that has to deal with royalty. Recommend them down below, because I need me a good royalty book, you know? Yeah. Okay, anyways, okay, so I'm gonna go, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye, guys.